Hello everyone, welcome to my 26th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In this tutorial we will see the actual project, hands-on projects on Lumion software. So let's get started. So first of all, we import the model in our file. Here is I choose imported model here to already imported in Lumion software. Here I choose this model, then press OK. Then press select option to close the window. Here is our model shows. I can change it material textures. I go to the materials, then I click on this material. I change this material type. Here I choose the timber side hung material, then press OK. Select this one, change its glossiness, reflectivity, reliefs, displacement, map scale as you want. Then press check mark button. Here I also change this material, floor material here. I simply click on this material, then press OK. I change this basic wall to its color asphalt. Then OK. I change his color style. Okay. Then I also change this door glossiness of glass, reflectivity, also change glass color. Okay, select this one. I can choose purple glass panel here, then press OK. Here is my model is simply just down the grass. I just move this up, select the model, then move up, select model, move free or move up option. You can move up your model. Then I change the glass material here. I can click on advanced glass, its colorization, by gray. I choose wood material. You can choose a different kinds of material here. It's not matches, so I will choose the glass material again. I choose white glass, changing its reflectivity, reflections, transparency, relief map, scale custom map, then press OK. Then I change the windows. Press OK. Here is we adding the materials here, then glass material, then I change its flooring, so here is not need to change, so simply I just check here. Then you can adding weather, landscape design as your requirement. So remaining part here we will discuss in next video. Thank you.